In the world of automobiles, fuel economy is a crucial factor that determines how far a vehicle can travel on a given amount of fuel. Fuel economy refers to the distance a car can travel per unit of fuel consumption. It is commonly measured in miles per gallon or liters per 100 kilometers, depending on the region. Several factors can significantly influence the fuel economy of a car. 1. Vehicle type. The type of vehicle plays a crucial role. Smaller cars and hybrids often offer higher fuel economy compared to larger SUVs or trucks. 2. Engine size and type. Engine size and type also contribute to fuel efficiency. Generally, smaller engines provide better fuel economy. Advanced technologies like turbocharging or direct injection can further enhance efficiency. 3. Transmission. The type of transmission can affect fuel economy. Manual transmissions typically offer better efficiency, although modern automatic transmissions have improved significantly in recent years. 4. Driving conditions. Driving conditions also impact fuel economy. City driving, with frequent stops and starts, can be less fuel efficient than highway driving with steady speeds. 5. Driving habits. Driving habits play a significant role as well. Aggressive driving behaviors, like rapid acceleration, high speeds, and excessive idling, can negatively impact fuel economy. 6. Maintenance. Proper vehicle maintenance is crucial for optimizing fuel efficiency. Regular oil changes, tire rotations, and air filter replacements can help improve fuel economy. While manufacturers provide estimated fuel economy ratings based on standardized testing procedures, it's important to remember that real-world fuel economy can vary based on individual driving habits and conditions. So, whether you're driving a small car or a powerful SUV, being mindful of these factors and adopting fuel-efficient driving practices can help you get the most out of every drop of fuel.